Good Sunday evening, you Facebook. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from the Forest Ridge Apartments on Sunday. Today we are planning to talk about part 2 of my talk that we did about my trip to Florida. About our Walt Disney World, because I think we did not get that covered way too much. So why not? We got time. But the first thing I want to talk about is what kind of school buses are like in Michigan. So before we get started, I gotta click on the right county. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the Henry Ford. So that means we need Wayne County. And after that, thanks you guys for understanding right now. Because I'm trying to understand this radio reference. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna pan you guys over to my computer. Alright, so we look right here at the Henry Ford Museum. We see there's Security 1, Security 1, Security, Museum Operations, Museum Ops, Tour Operations, Henry Ford Museum Operations, Security, Ops. Then we go on down. Here's their casinos they have. Here's the MGM Grand, their conventional. Then we go on down, look at some more. Here's Security Channel 1, Security Channel 2. Now take you guys over to my TV. I'm watching the world's best baker for a change, and that was St. Jude. So I take you guys back over to my computer. We look at Motor City Casino. Okay, so we look around, we see slot attendants, first floor, slot attendants, slot technicians, housekeeping, security, primary, engineering, internal maintenance, facilities. There's 2 security channels right here. Then we go on down. This is their Olympic. Right here's where we need frequency coordinator right there. And we click on this trunk system. Luckily the internet hasn't burst out. I'm glad. But sadly, it's a little too slow. So this is what my Facebook page looks like. And we go on down, we see logistics services, food service, maintenance, merchandise sales. And don't ask me why, because I like to look up this stuff. Then we go back to RIA reference US page. And I'm doing this one for for anybody that likes Pennsylvania or Ohio, put it in the comments below, or we can talk about Washington, D.C. Let's talk about Tennessee, about their radio system. That's the airport. So we look around. There's like two places that I got really good radio signal. First one was like Campbell County. Alright? Which the first one that I got good signal was right here. Campbell County Sheriff's Department and Jellicoe PD. Because you guys see that it's under the exact same frequency. And then after that we go up, we click on Anderson County. So that, oh, you gotta be kidding. So then after that we go on down, we look around here. Now these frequencies I try to get on my scanner. I'll show you which one so you guys can understand. So this is the first scanner that I use down there. My BC 125 AT, baby. Well, I did not take my walkie-talkie because there were a couple reasons. Number one, I did not think that there would be nothing to listen to because okay, so now we are back in business. So where we were at, we were talking about the story about my radio scanner. So let me say, you guys, right here. So we were driving along, and then after that, it's like, Mom, why don't I listen to this scanner and see what kind of conventional radios we pick up? Well, we did that for a while, and then after that, we figured out nobody was listening. And they were like, we got to understand why. Because not a lot of people like the word radio scanner because they're thinking about that I'm talking about the police, all right? Well, that's not actually what we're talking about, all right? So coming into the moment, coming into the moment,
6599 North Maple Road, ambulance, cross of West Maple Road, and West Durlath Road.
so
20 hours.
So we were driving along, and then after that, I was like, Mom, why don't we listen to like a radio scanner? And she's like, sure, Tommy, only if you put your earphones on. Well, I told her, a matter of fact, Mom, I did not have it. Well, that's where these guys came in, baby. And then after that, we drive along until we hit Gatlinburg, okay? In Gatlinburg, we were driving along the parkway and we were like looking around. And then after that, we stopped because our GPS told us to take one way, we took the other way. And then it was like a big blank, like on her screen. My mom was like, what in the world is going on? And I told my Mom, I do not know what's going on. You have to tell me a little bit more of what's going on. Well, that came in. And then, like, a lot of people really do not like radio scanners. And a lot of people have, like, radios at work. And I think that's really cool that a work would let you give radios. Well, sadly, there's a couple works that don't even give out radio scanners. And I'm like, why not? Walmart gives them out. Sam's Club gives them out. Almost all the apartment complexes give them out. All the restaurants get a radio scanner. An airport gets a radio scanner. And I'm like, why in the world do they give out radio scanners and not let the public use? And then after that, they gave me some thinking. And then after that, my mom, we were at Horseshoe, and this guy had his radio turned up really loud, and I told her, Mom, what are we going to do about this radio scanner? She's like, Tommy, just leave it in the car. So that's what I did. And once we got up to Duncan's Clothing, we looked around the place and we found some stuff that we liked. And we were like, Hallelujah. And then after that, I'm like, come on. There's like 2 reasons that everybody gets like a radio scanner. Like number 1, they use it for improvement. Number 2, they use it for suggestive videos. So that's pretty much on the desire list. So I'll be doing one Tuesday, so please be on the lookout for a Facebook video. Thanks, Facebook. Have a great day.